Are you exhausted from strict budgets that feel impossible? You're not alone. Over half of Americans have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency. If budgeting still leaves you feeling trapped or broke, it's time to change tactics. Get the old rules that make life feel restricted. In this video, we'll show a simpler approach to managing money that actually works for ordinary people like you and me. Are you ready to adjust your budget and start feeling in control of your money? Before we begin, click the like button and subscribe to receive more easy money tips. 1. Track every dollar you spend. Stop guessing where your money went. Write down or use an app to log every expense, even that morning coffee or small snack. Those small purchases add up fast. Small, everyday purchases can add up quickly, throwing your budget off balance before you even realize it. When you track spending, you'll spot leaks like streaming subscriptions you forgot and know exactly what to cut. Do you find money mysteriously disappearing? Tracking gives you clarity and control. 2. Pay yourself first. Say goodbye to budgeting only what's left at month's end. Instead, save automatically as soon as you get paid. Most budgets are built around expenses. But the pay yourself first method flips that upside down by saving before you spend. In practice, set up a direct deposit or automatic transfer. Put 5 to 10% of your paycheck into savings immediately and live on the rest. You'll barely miss it. As experts note, money sent this way is money you don't miss. Even starting with a small percentage helps. As one guide notes, even 3% will add up to a healthy emergency fund over time. 3. Include fun money in your plan. Budgets often fail because they feel too strict. Give yourself a monthly fun budget for dining out, hobbies, or a movie night. It might sound backward, but including a fun category actually prevents guilt-driven overspending. By setting aside a little for treats, you give every dollar a job, some for bills, some for joy, and avoid feeling deprived. Isn't life worth a little fun? Even a $20 weekly budget for treats can keep you sane and focused on bigger goals. 4. Use a simple rule of thumb. Stop overcomplicating things. Try a broad rule, like 50, 30, 20ths. This means 50% of income for needs, 30% for wants, including that fun money, and 20% for savings. With this approach, you only juggle 3 big buckets instead of dozens of tiny categories. You automatically carve out space for essentials, fun, and savings, so you're not drowning in budget details. The simpler the rule, the more likely you are to stick to it. 5. Build an emergency fund. Start small. Stop ignoring the just-in-case scenario. Even tiny savings add up. Unexpected costs, a flat tire or surprise vet bill can wreck your month without a cushion. Indeed, experts warn that without a financial cushion you may be forced to rely on credit cards or loans. Instead, put a little away into an emergency fund each payday. It could be just $5 or $10 to start. Those little bits accumulate, as farther. Calm says, even $25 a month adds up over time, building real peace of mind. 6. Review and adjust regularly. Stop treating your budget like a law carved in stone. Life changes, a new job, a rent increase, or finally paying off a debt mean your money plan should change too. Check your budget every few months. If you're always overspending in one area, maybe that category is too tight. Flexibility is key. PNC reminds us that maintaining a rigid budget can be more harmful than helpful if it doesn't fit your life. For example, if groceries get pricier, move more into needs. If you get a raise, consider boosting your savings or fun budget. Adapting your plan like this keeps it working for you. 7. Set realistic goals and celebrate wins. Stop setting yourself up to fail. Start with doable targets. Instead of an extreme goal like saving 50% of income overnight, pick something you can actually achieve, say 5 to 10%. Hitting that smaller target feels great and builds momentum. Ever wonder how much more at ease you'll feel once your savings grow and you finally take control of your money? By following these steps, that stress will start to fade. Conclusion: you don't need an intimidating, complicated budget to take charge of your finances. Track your spending, save first, and give yourself a little fun money. These shifts can transform your money story. Remember, small changes today can make a big difference tomorrow. If this video gave you new ideas, please like, comment your own money tips or struggles, and share it to help others. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical money advice. You've got the power to change your financial life. Now go make it happen.